Introduction. Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to cook delicious macaroni. This is a simple recipe that everyone can make, and it's perfect for a quick and easy dinner. So let's get started. Ingredients: 1 pound of macaroni, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Step 1. Boil the macaroni. The first step is to boil the macaroni. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil, add the macaroni, and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until it's al dente. Once it's cooked, drain the water and set it aside. Step 2. Make the cheese sauce. In a medium-sized saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and whisk until it's smooth. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes while continuously stirring. Slowly add the milk, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens. Add the grated cheddar cheese and stir until it's melted and combined. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Step 3. Combine the macaroni and cheese sauce. Add the cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce and stir until it's well coated. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a little milk to loosen it up. Serve hot and enjoy.